So we have a special member joining us from VIH Tribe, Dr. Veena S. Rai. So welcome and congratulations, Dr. Veena, for entering the Hall of Fame and getting the initial success. So welcome on this particular platform.
Thank you, Mithil sir. Thank you so much for welcoming me. And hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Veena S. Rai. I'm an anesthesiologist by profession and healer by passion.
I am so happy. I'm so proud to see you now in Hall of Fame, and I'm super excited because you've already also joined and entered the Conqueror Club also with the initial success that you have got. So I'm super happy, and with Hall of Fame very soon I'm going to take the interview of the Conqueror Club also. So Dr. Veena, basically this is a platform where many other people who are into the learning phase. So you can be one of the example, a motivation and a guidance kind of a thing through this particular interview. That's why I'm taking all these interviews of all the successful people who have learned and they have implement everything what they have learned through me through the various mastermind sessions. So can you quickly share about your journey? How did you come across, and what are the things that you have done, ma'am?
So basically, I'm an anesthesiologist. In March 2020, when the lockdown started, I was forced to quit my profession because the management didn't allow me to take leave. So I had two kids. I had those responsibilities of taking care of my two small kids. So that is when I decided, okay, this is not going to happen. I cannot leave my kids the whole day and go for duty because the COVID had started and we were having 10 night duties at a run. So which was impossible for me to continue. So I thought I will follow my passion and I will start. So that is when in June I started the training for life coach. Then I came across an ad which told that if you want to learn podcast, Digital Metal is the one. So that is how I got enrolled into the podcast. And that time it was like digital world was a very new world for me. I didn't know ABC of the digital world. I didn't even know what Facebook. I had just recently in May 2020 I started using Facebook. So I didn't even know how to go about how to make a page, how to make the group. So zero knowledge about the digital world. That is when I met my digital guru, Digital Mithil. So from there the journey just began and it just is continuing, and I'm very happy that at the right time I met the right person who was a guiding angel for me to guide me into this digital world.
Awesome. So I have seen, Dr. Veena, a time when you were, it was all over here that you thought that you are technically challenged when it comes to the digital world, but you never gave up. You fought, you learned, slowly, steadily, you started implementing, and now you are almost, started building your entire digital empire. And we are all very happy and we are all very proud of you, and you have been a goal and an inspiration for many of the people who are your fellow life coach, and they all look up to you. So when it comes to following a particular mentor, since you are also a life coach, so how essential it is for people to believe what the mentor says, and how should we follow every steps probably blindly to get to the desired result? What are your intake into it?
So for me, I have learned like if you're following one mentor, try to complete the all the levels with the one mentor and then shift to the other mentor if you wish to learn more things. So for me with Digital Mithil, the journey began with podcast. It went to YouTube. Then I learned how to make videos. Then I have enrolled into SME. So SME is teaching me so many things which a life coach actually needs. So for me, being technically challenged, now I'm not. Before I was. So Digital Method has done the hand holding everywhere, like creating the teachable or whatever is needed for a course to be developed, like the posters, the Canva, everything is involved in SME. So it is a complete guide for a person who is ready with the course, or even if you are not ready with the course, you are new to this digital world, then this is the platform for you, where because you can follow. There are many people in the market who teach digital, but we don't get one-to-one with them. It is very difficult to have a one-to-one session with the foreigners in the industry right now. So having the knowledge what digital Mithil has, we call him the Santa. So every time he will be giving us some tools which will make our life simple. So those tools and techniques helps us a lot in getting organized. So everywhere at every stage, Mithil is there. He will help you. After every class, after every session, there are masterminds. There are like 4 live sessions, all are live sessions with lots of Q&A. So that is where I found that this is the one I should follow, and he's the one who is going to teach me everything. So I enrolled in all his courses. So that is the reason why I've become successful. If I had this teaching knowledge, I started with life coaching, and then I had this passion for meditation. I'm a healer, I'm a Reiki grandmaster and a Money Reiki grandmaster. So I started with podcast where I was doing the audio recording for the meditation and all. Then I went in deeper into spirituality. I learned many modalities of spirituality, not manifestation, chakra meditation. So many rituals, candle rituals, herb rituals. So from all of that, I felt the main problem what people are suffering is for money. So I extracted only the money part from all the rituals, spirituality rituals, and I started conducting workshops on money manifestations. So slowly, I saw many people started getting results. So when people started getting the money, so that is how my course became famous. And that is how I started doing the rituals on the new moon eve. So that gave even more better results. So the journey went on, but without Mithil's help, without like the support what Mithil is giving me backstage for the webinar, learning Zoom, learning the curriculum, learning Teachable, then making a curriculum, timetable, webinar, the step-by-step guide, how from webinars you should go to online courses, from there how you can record your videos and then go, many people you can reach out. So all these things I had no knowledge about. So that is all Mithil taught me. So this is the reason for my success, because somebody was there to guide me at every stage. So that is how I became successful. And now I'm earning a pretty well income from my coaching business and from these spirituality, like chakra meditation audios, chakra meditation videos, chakra meditation courses, money manifestation courses, money management courses. So when people are earning money, people are getting the benefits. So that is how the journey started, with knowing nothing, coming into a new field. But one advice I would give is, whenever you're following a mentor, go till the higher level. Only then you will be able to extract whatever the juice from your guru, so that you can apply it on your courses.
That's awesome and very well said. So Dr. Veena, journey from a technically challenged to now evolved into a very beautiful digital world that you are building now with your tribe members also. So what are the current tools that you are using, which you have learned, in this entire due course of time? So which are the current tools which is helping you building your digital business?
So right now I have a YouTube channel, Dr. Veena Ki Pathshala, podcast channel, Success on My Way. So podcast I learned from Mithil, YouTube I learned from Mithil. Then Instagram also, Instagram business workshop, which Digital Mithil teaches it. It is an awesome course where it is at a very reasonable. One more thing I want to talk about Digital Mithil is, he is very, very, very reasonable. So 300, 400, in that, the quality which he gives, there are many people who are giving 199, 200, 300, but you don't get their master class. You don't come into the tribe inside and have the, like every week, I think 12 to 14, how many live classes do you take, Mithil? Live masterminds.
I have masterminds on Wednesdays. Then I have every Sunday I have my workshop on Instagram, and then all the rest are SMEs.
SMEs, like you get to meet your mentor many times. So that is where your doubt clearing happens, and you can ask him. And the best thing about Mithil, I have to tell, is that he has lots of patience. Even if 8 students are there in one batch, he will make sure that all the 8 students have understood. Till the 8 students understand, I remember the class in Audacity for the podcast when he was teaching us Audacity app. So that time, each and everybody was stuck, but he had to teach the class 20 for 2.5 hours till he was happy that all the students learned it. So that is the level what Mittal dedicated towards his students. So this type of teacher you hardly get unless they have a passion.
So, Dr. Veena, when it comes to the day when you got the entire niche clarity, and you also crafted your customer avatar through the SME program. So now, when any of the student comes to you and joins your tribe, can you just share how what is the journey of the student when they join your tribe?
Basically, my target audience is females, like who are frustrated, who are talented, who want to earn more money, but they are not having any source, or who have been abused or not treated well by their husband. Basically, looking for their financial independence and identity. So these type of people, my clients, when they come, most of them are frustrated. So that is when I have used all my techniques, and I have done like mixed spirituality with money management. So first I teach them chakra meditation, because I believe that when your chakras are blocked, you cannot perform better. There will be relationship issues, there will be all possible issues. Your health will be in a mess, your relationship will be in a mess, you will have lots of loan, money will be just flowing away from you. So what is the point in teaching money management and teaching everything without cleansing? So I started with insight of chakra meditation. It is my level 1, where people come, where people experience the magic, because I am a healer, so I use universal energies also for healing. So they feel a tremendous energy flow. So they feel light, they feel the relaxation. Some people just keep on crying. So they vent out their negative emotions. So after that, I take them to money manifestation. So that is a 5 days program. So it goes on for 2 weeks, where I have a yoga guru who teaches them chakra yoga, and I do the chakra meditation. And then 5 days they do money manifestation. After money manifestation, I teach them what is abundance mindset. So that is a 3 hours workshop. After that, they come to my 1 month course, where they go deeper into money manifestation and about the 7 chakras. What are the emotions that they should be aware of when they are thinking in their subconsciously? Many thoughts will be going on. So I teach them how to control it, how to change it, and how to think positive and start manifesting. Then I teach them new money of money manifestation. And then there is a 3 months course where they can be with me, and I teach them clearly how to manifest money, and they can become chakra meditation teachers and healers. I teach them Reiki after this. I don't teach Reiki before. I only teach Reiki once they have finished the 1 month training with me.
Wow, so it's a very holistic approach. It's a very holistic approach, and they're getting everything as a package. However, they're learning step by step so that their foundation becomes very strong. And I think you are able to touch them inside out and able to help them completely. What a wonderful journey. So, Dr. Veena, we are now at the very end of this particular interview. So, but before we end, this is one thing that I ask all my students. So what is that one success principle that you have in your mind that has kept you going, and now it is acting as a catalyst to take your business to the next level?
Basically, I have failed many times. So each time I have failed, and I don't give up. So I always will get up and start fresh. So my one motto is never give up. So whenever anything, and I have learned from many of my gurus also, that always failure is a stepping stone to success. So each time you fail, so you are getting closer to your success. One thing which success principle is like, most of the people don't know how close they were to success when they gave up. That is what resonates always. Whenever it comes to me like, chalo, let's give it up. I cannot, because of the kids, because of the family, so whenever I go, that time there will be some inner voice which tells just 2 more steps. and then I achieve it. So that is always, whenever I plan of quitting, I get that inner voice telling two more steps, then you quit. So, but most of the time I achieve whatever I had set my target. So that
Beautiful.
is what I feel.
Beautiful, ma'am. So, all the people who really want to transform and really want to connect to your inner soul and also to the universal energy, Dr. Veena is the right person to go through, because even me and my wife, we both have been also a student in her tribe and have undergone many of her courses. Okay, but then like this is not just trying to promote her, but this is a very genuine thing that I have experienced. Like I always carry with me this green knot ribbon with me, because this has transformed a lot of the mental blockages, the chakra blockages, and has really opened the abundance, the avalanche of abundance and prosperity in my life. So yes, she's the right person to connect to and get to know more about her. So all the links are available below. Do click on those links and feel free to join her. So thank you so much, Dr. Veena, for
Thank you so much.
implementing the golden triangle, learning from me, doing all the actions, and now you're doing the same, teaching others to get the complete transformation. And see you soon, very soon, in the Conqueror Club interview, also which you have already joined. The interview is pending. So thank you so much, Dr. Veena, for joining us.
Thank you so much, Mithil. Thank you so much for being there as my mentor. So without having the mentor like you, I wouldn't have reached this heights. Thank you so much.
Most
It's all
welcome.
goes to you. Thank you so much for being so patient. And the way I was as a student, anybody would have given up in the first week itself. But you held my hand for 1 year. You didn't leave me. You were like, each step, no, ma'am, it is like that. Having the patience. Thank you so much for having that patience and being the wonderful teacher. You're a very good teacher. So
Thank you. Thank you
I
so much,
wish
ma'am.
many people join you and they really learn from you. Stay till
Awesome.
the end. I must tell, please do SME. SME is the best program you will ever come across to become a self-made entrepreneur. Digital Mithil is there to help.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Dr. Veena. So this is Digital Mithil signing off right now. We'll meet again soon with another VIH tribe member joining the Hall of Fame and achieving the initial success through various courses and through various mastermind sessions. But until then, stay safe, keep rocking, and become the self-made entrepreneur. Thank you so much.